Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Kapil practicing digital marketing through SEO since last 6 years. Today I will discuss how to verify your domain property with the Google Search Console. First we need to understand why you need to list your property on the Google Search Console. Google Search Console playing a role in helping you to get free traffic from the Google search engine. Google Search Console will crawl your data on a daily basis, understand your content and send it to the data storage hub. Upon storing your data in the Google Data Center hub, it will be triggered on the Google search engine. For example, if someone is searching for coffee shop near me, Google search engine will help you to find out all the information about nearby shops on their first page. Highly recommend places with reviews, ratings and how far away shop is located. This helps to grow audience for your website. Now go to the Google search engine and type Google Search Console. Click on the first link. Then click on Start Now. Enter your website name in domain name section and it should not be included with HTTPS or www. Just mention your brand name. And click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you will get information to verify your domain ownership through DNS record. Now log in to hosting account. I recommend and mention link in description. Just click to buy Hostinger hosting in discount. Log in hosting account and go to the DNS record section. Select type txt. Add your website name. Paste your Google code, site verification code, and TTL will be same as default. Just add record. Your DNS record created successfully. Now go to the Verify Domain Ownership DNS record and click on Verify. Your property has been verified successfully. Now go. So friends, we have learned how to add or connect website to the Google Search Console. We will learn how to connect your website data to the Google Search Console in upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.